So what you'll need is a tablespoon of mayo de noche, also known as mayonnaise, 1 clove of garlic, 100 grams of feta cheese, a small handful of coriander, a very small red onion. So if you're using a big red onion, I would say go for like half a red onion or maybe like even a quarter. A squeeze of a lime juice. I'm going to use a portion of this jalapeno. If you want, you can use more, but I think I'm going to use like roughly half of it. A can of sweet corn. This is a can of 350 grams. Some salt, some cayenne pepper, and some chili powder to taste. So first we're going to cut everything up. The onion. And just put it in a bowl. The jalapeno. Try to chop everything as fine as possible. Add it to the bowl as well. Coriander. I like the smell of coriander. I am very lucky that I'm not one of those people that can't taste it and taste soap. Y'all are missing out. To the bowl. All you have to do now is just assemble everything. So I've drained the corn. I'm gonna add it in there. Crush the garlic in there. If you want, you can always cut the cheese up, but since feta is a very crumbly cheese, I just like to crumble it in there with my hands. I think my bowl is going to be too small for this. Change of plans. I needed a bigger bowl. To that, add your heaping tablespoon of mayonnaise. Season with some salt, cayenne pepper, and of course chili powder. And to finish everything off, a squeeze of lime juice. Give everything a good mix, and your side dish is ready to be served. Look at this.